For several reasons, I'm also anticipating this bullish leg. One, fundamentally speaking, the US economy is gaining momentum and strength because of the job claim, the more job opportunities they just brought out. That was reading the forecast for NFP on Friday. We have more jobs that has actually been put out there for the Americans or for US, right? So meaning that the USD is going to gain strength. US dollar is actually going to gain strength because we now have more job opportunities for citizens, right? So also in cases like this, when we see that the market, that USD is gaining strength, a lot of people want to push or put in their money where it's going to work for them, into places that is going to be beneficial to them. So cases like this, you start seeing gold tank. I mean, gold is going to start selling. Reason because people see gold and people use gold as safe haven, meaning when there's chaos and everything, where do I keep my assets without losing it? And now people start saving in gold. But now there's no chaos currently ongoing. So meaning people, instead of people saving their money, now they start investing their money, right? So that their money works for them, or their money will work for them rather, right? So now let's look at gold. I'm actually giving you guys a lot of insights, but I'll be breaking it more on our live session. I just want you guys to have an insight so that when we're actually live, you guys will actually know what I'm talking about and you guys would actually not be lost. So this is gold. Okay, let me use this one. So this is gold. I said I'm expecting to see gold continue selling. You guys can see how gold has just been doing this thing. Gold actually went up, swept out liquidity, left an inducement, came back down, changed character, sold. Now, for people that trade support and resistance, you guys will notice that this place is like a magnetic zone. Why I call it magnetic zone is magnet attracts. It draws things close. So now the liquidity around this place actually served as a magnet that actually propelled and made this guy push to the downside to activate the liquidity. You guys always know, and you guys will have probably heard me say this always, wherever there's liquidity, that's where the market tends to tap into first. So there's liquidity resting around this area. If you look at it very well, there's liquidity resting around this area, people that were buying, right? So now that's what happened here. The market tapped into it, retraced back. Now what just happened here is market just gave us a confirmation that it is bearish. So we now have a high, low, high, low, change of character, high, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we're waiting for a lower high, then continuation. So guys, see you guys in my last session, come New Year session or end of London session. As you already know, guys, Echo is active.